Good morning, everybody. It is October the 27th. It is 5:40 in the morning. Sorry, I was looking for all the earthquakes that happened overnight. And we've got a bunch of them, so I'm going to get busy on those right now. Let's see here. There was a 4.9 Kodiak, Alaska, at 12 miles in depth. A 4.3 Central Mediterranean Sea at 6.2 miles in depth. California had a 3.1 at 3.5 miles in depth, but USGS took it down to a 2.9. Costa Rica had a 3.0 at 2.5 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 Russia at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.4 Crete, Greece at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 Iona Sea at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.3 South Africa at 3.1 miles in depth. There was a 4.7 Iona Sea at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 5.3 Papua New Guinea, and that was at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.3 Japan at 290 miles in depth. Fiji had a 4.9 at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 Iona Sea at 50 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 in Greece at 6.2 miles in depth. Bali region had a 4.4 at 53 miles in depth. There was a 2.9 western Texas at 3.1 miles in depth. Fiji Island region had a 4.9 at 345 miles in depth. There was a 3.0 off the coast of Northern California at 6.2 miles in depth. Now, this one just happened, and it came on the Discovery Earthquake app, so I don't know if USGS has downgraded it. If they did, the Discovery app will downgrade it also. It was a 5.0 Thailand at 6.2. I did get screenshots. Okay, so I don't know if it's going to be downgraded or not. I am going to wait for the updates for Super Typhoon U2 in order to give you accurate directions and wind speed. And as soon as that appears, I will get that out to you. Alright, I'm hoping everybody along the East Coast survived the storm well last night with no damage. It went from all the way from the Virginia area all the way up to Maine. They did have coastal flooding warnings out there for high tides and uh, and wind. In some areas up north, they were having snow warnings out also. All right. God bless you guys. Please be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are just so awesome. I'm giving you guys 2 thumbs up. Have an awesome day.